Hello, my name is Alex Gonzalez. I'm a software engineer. I have worked for Cloudera and EMC before it was acquired by Dell in the past. And I had the privilege to get the National Award in Mexico of Science and Technology. I'm going to be recording a series of videos where I'm going to show the different programming skills that I have in regards data structures, arrays, lists, stacks, binary trees, and more, or some other more complex algorithms. I'm doing this to get ready for an interview that I'm going to be having in January 2021 with Twitter, and also I'm also getting ready for another interviews with another big companies that I currently having conversations with. Also, I would like to have this as a personal record. It's an idea that I had in the past, just to try to help people to try to understand the things that they need to think about when they are working with data structures, such as memory problems they might have, and the considerations that you have when you're working with pointers. And I guess and I hope it's going to be helpful for some other people as well, and not just me. Another reason that I'm doing this is that I haven't had a job interview in the past 10 years, and I had the chance to interview around 30 people to join Cloudera, and from those we only hired 3 or 4. And I noticed a pattern where the people gets nervous or they get the pressure of an interview, which is normal. And it's not easy as an interviewer when you are really committed to find the right person. It's not easy to evaluate in 60 minutes or one day an engineer trajectory of 10 years or 20 years, or if they have a master's degree or PhD. It's not that simple to evaluate. Sometimes there is superstars that you can see that they are way better even than you or even than me, and the decision is very simple, right? But sometimes the people deserves kind of a different chance or a different opportunity. So for example, in Cloudera, what we did is to create a hiring process where we were giving them the tools to resolve a problem, such as the right IDE that they feel comfortable with, so they don't struggle when they're having a new IDE. And also we were trying to, we were evaluating problems, real world problems, or problems that we recently solved. So the candidate show us their way of thinking and solving and coding. And that helps a lot because it was a one-day interview, and you can have the feeling if the way of thinking or analyzing or solving problems is the right fit for your team, and if we are the right fit for that person as well. It has to be a win-win. It has to be a two-way thing. You are not looking for people, or we were not looking for people that were looking just for a job. We were looking for the people that had the passion for the security aspects that we were looking into at that time. As well, we were in that day we were having lunch to evaluate the people values, personal values. We cannot go very deep into their personal details because that might be even illegal, but you can sense the way that the person behaves when they are having lunch or having an informal conversation, and the way that they communicate. Sometimes we were looking for the superstar that can be the architect to solve big problems and has the abilities or skills to create documents and have a great verbal communication. Sometimes we were just looking for the right developer with a lot of skills to do the job. So that's why I'm doing this. Sometimes probably people from Twitter and other companies might be looking at this video, and that's the goal that I have by creating this series of videos. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it. I will enjoy it for sure. I've already been doing some exercises and some practice, and now it's time to record those and put them on the web. Thank you.